All right, so let's talk about some of the components of a roof. You've got your rakes, which is the diagonal part of the roof that may form an apex. Up there you might have a gable vent. And then towards the bottom, you've got your eaves. That's the horizontal part. On the eaves, you might also have gutters and downspouts. Gutters you want to have to redirect the water away from entryways, or just to take water to places where you might want to use it. The downspouts need to be put in strategically, and you want to have the gutters with proper kinds of fasteners. Underneath the eaves is your soffit, and facing forward behind the gutters is your fascia. The fascia faces you, and the soffit is beneath, facing down. The soffits may also have venting after every 4 or 5 panels, and that venting is important to allow air into the attic so that air can circulate and it can dry up precipitation to help avoid mold.